that we are really privileged, but no. I'm out of my words, sir, with your reputation and with the achievements you have done for the nation, India. Absolutely commendable, and I would request all of you, please give a standing ovation to Dr. Suresh Kumar, sir. ऐसी शख्सियत को देखकर मेरे जहन में एक बात आई, अगर बात आपको अच्छी लगे तो डेफिनेटली तालियों का सैलाब चाहोगे। कहते हैं जो पानी से नहाते हैं वो लिबास बदलते हैं, कहते हैं जो पानी से नहाते हैं वो लिबास बदलते हैं, और जो पसीने से नहाते हैं वो इतिहास बदलते हैं। And I guess we have such a person who can change the history, who can create the history, and who can leave the footprints on this planet and the history. So let me call on stage Dr. T.N. Suresh Kumar, Senior Space Scientist, ISRO.
Namaskar. Very good evening to everyone. Wherever I go, whichever the program I go, first and foremost, I like to give my due respect to my group, my senior, and our beloved ex-President of India, late Dr. APJ Kalam sir. With celebration. Respected Ripuran Sharma Sinha ji, Dr. Rakesh Mittal ji, and then we are really missing a pillar of this institute, the president of this institute, Mr. Sunil Balgevich. We all know that he is not able to attend this because of his personal problem. Okay, friends. I'm extremely happy because you all recognized my work when you saw my introduction video. Maybe one or two people may be thinking that Suresh Kumar has done a great job going to space. From the bottom of the ocean, there is from submarine to space, he has touched every part of the world. I personally don't think so. I'm an ordinary man. Come from very, very ordinary background, from a lower middle class family, hand to mouth. That was the childhood days I had. When an ordinary man like me can do this, any one of you can do. Why anyone? All of you can do. On that day, I would like to sit there and watch your achievement. I consider that day as my most happiest day in my life. It is a customary that wherever I go, in all talk, these two things I always say. One is respecting my Guru, Kalam sir, and telling my own, I am an ordinary man. Because when I say this, everyone, whether it's students in IIT, NIT schools, or participants, when Suresh Kumar can do, can we not do? That is the amount of equation I want to give that so that they have to do much more than this. These two things I always tell in any talk where I do. My dear friends, in life, two things are very, very important. दो चीजें बहुत important, बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होता है. One is योग और दूसरा योग्यता. ये जो योग है ना, वो हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. It's an act of God. It depends on your luck. नसीब के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है. Overnight somebody will become big hero. Overnight somebody will become great cricketer. Overnight become a big politician. Overnight become. So it's not in our control. It's depends totally on the luck factor. जो दूसरा चीज जो है ना, योग्यता, that is in our control. God has given all the powers to do that. Today all of you are here. You are all celebrating your achievements because the point number 2, that is yogyata. You have shown your ability in all the fields. Sinaji, I was telling that. See, normally when we say that awards, all this, we only give to the scientific community. It's not so. Talent is everywhere. When I see this list, I was so excited. I am not in that list. I am very happy. So you must recognize all the people. So that is very, very important. Maybe, in the reality, only few of you are here. But I personally don't think so. There are hundreds and thousands of people who have done a wonderful job, but they are not being recognized. पर्दे के पीछे चले जाता है. So many people, it's not even noticed. They vanished. You are top scientists in the world. You will not even notice they have got fantastic, like Nicholas, for example. He got his accolade only after some time. Because he was suppressed by Thomas Edison. So, my dear friends, you people have done a wonderful job, and it's not like जब योग और योग्यता दोनों मिल जाता ना, बन जाएगा भारतीय. You're all the best. How it is done? You have done a wonderful job. There must be some organization. There must be some institute. Say, yes, I recognize you. Whenever I see this, I get so much excited. There is somebody to recognize. I have done a wonderful job, sir. Please see, look at me. They said, I recognize you. I certify you. I endorse you. I'll show to the world that you have done something like that. Otherwise, all of us go like a uncut diamonds. Unless you take the diamond, cut it, shape it, and polish it, and put it on a blue velvet, and put it on a showcase, then the whole world will come and say its value will go. That's what this institution is doing. I am extremely happy to come here and talk a few words about it, because this institution recognizes many of the people. So, my dear friends, you may be thinking that I am taking this certificate, I am putting on photo frame, I am putting in my office, and especially social media. See, I have done something. No. By giving this certificate, by recognizing you, we are putting a social responsibility on you. It's not that you have acquired knowledge. It's not that you have acquired a lot of certificates. It is social responsibility. You must disseminate to the society. This is what always Kalam sir used to tell us. We are all boys in front of him. So if I personally feel that I have not seen God, but I have seen human God, that is Kalam sir. So I have pretty confident about this team. You all going to take this as a challenge. Today you take a oath in the evening out of that. Sankalp kijiye, I am going to do something to this country before I die. If you take that, and if one person does, I feel that my presence in this 1 hour is really worthwhile. Okay, friend. And coming to the institution, our team is doing a wonderful job. I am very happy. Come, I will recognize you. In nook and corners, you are going and tracking people, putting that, see, they are putting in the top of this world and showing that through their system. When she was explaining, I was very happy. They are showing to the world that this diamond is here, this diamond is here. You are not searching it. That is a wonderful job. So it's a responsibility on the institution also. Do more and more and recognize more and more people and show to the world that it's not like there are only 1 or 2 people are there. There are so many people are there. So this is a responsibility on the institution. I am very confident this team will do, and that this team will take the nation in the right direction. We all work together. If anyone needs any time, I am always available. I am retired now, but not tired. You just go through my website and all. I am always traveling. Last week I was in Ukraine. Then I am here. I'll keep going to IIT. Then everywhere. My wife always say that you like more profession than me. No. I also give quality time for you, because I see, I have to have an ambition in my life. I have to have a dream in my life. Before I die, at least I want to make 4 C.V. Raman or 2 Abdul Kalam. Like that I have my dream. So I always go and I meet over 30,000 students and the entrepreneurs in the country every year. Hopefully my dream will come true. And you all join in that dream. Okay? Thank you very much, and really had a wonderful time. Please keep doing it and wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. कहते हैं मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। कहते हैं मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। सिर्फ पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। और शायद वही हौसला, जैसे कि हमारे बीच डॉक्टर सुरेश सर है, उन्होंने हम सबके बीच इतना भर भर के दिया है कि इवन आई एम गोइंग टू मेक अ कमिटमेंट टुवर्ड्स माय नेशन दैट देयर वुड बी एट लीस्ट वन थिंग आई वुड डेडिकेट फ्रॉम माय लाइफ बिफोर आई डाई, एंड एवरीबॉडी वुड डू। यस? All right, so with this we are going to start with our ARIRA function, and I would like to call on all the dignitaries on dais. Dr. T.N. Suresh Kumar sir, Dr. Ripuranjan Sinha sir, Professor Rakesh Mittal sir, and Mr. Anant Arumugam sir.